Now arriving at Burnafoss Waterfall, also known as Burnafoss. Take a moment to listen. The sound of water rushing down the mossy cliffs is nature's own music. Unlike Iceland's larger, world-famous waterfalls, Burnafoss is a quiet hidden gem. Its charm lies in its peaceful setting, surrounded by lava fields and soft green moss. The waterfall is easy to reach with just a short walk, though the path can be uneven, so watch your step. On clear days, look up and you may spot the snow-capped peak of Snæfellsjökull Glacier, one of Iceland's most iconic landmarks. Nearby, you'll also find the Black Church of Bear, a striking piece of Icelandic history that makes a perfect stop to pair with your visit here. Take your time, enjoy the calm atmosphere, and perhaps capture a few photos. The light changes beautifully throughout the day, giving the waterfall different moods. When you're ready, continue your journey through the Snæfellsnes Peninsula, but carry with you the quiet beauty of Burnafoss.
Some of the